Hello friends, welcome to you on this video tutorial series. I am making this tutorial mainly for those students currently studying in the final semester of courses like BCA, BSCIT, MSCIT and MC. I am Pashupati Bhatt, having a great experience in the development field. Currently I am working as a COE in the ITM college, Dehradun. Friends, nowadays there are a lot of programming languages. All programming languages have their own advantages and disadvantages. More popular languages currently like Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, PHP, etc. A lot of are there. Every year there are a number of programming languages are implemented, but few languages are becoming very popular, which may be used by a professional programmer in their career. We can classify these programming languages mainly into two types: imperative and declarative. Declarative programming languages like you are asking to your friends to draw a landscape. You don't care how they draw it. That's up to them. But in imperative programming language, he is giving them step by step directions to get the desired result. So we can say imperative programming is like how you do something, and declarative programming is more like what you do. Most mainstream languages, including object programming such as C Sharp, Visual Basic, C++, Java, were designed to primarily support imperative. Now friends, the question arises, why you should learn C Sharp? To understand this question, I am taking one example. Let us suppose you are going to purchase a new car. At that time, what are the main points coming on your minds? Naturally, first one is cost, but other important points like comfort, mileage, and the main important point is services. Either services are available in the market currently for those particular car. You know, in a similar manner, when you are choosing C sharp language, in case of C sharp, it is a very easy to learn. This language is very easy to learn. We can develop a lot of softwares rapid manner by using its integrated development environment, a very powerful tool. A lot of study materials are available on the net. Tools, built-in components are easily available on the net. One more points for C Sharp is that we can develop a various type of application by learning only C Sharp language, by using this platform, .NET platform in C Sharp language, like web application, window based application, desktop application, mobile applications, robot applications, and some APIs, game programming. So C Sharp can be your one step shop for all of these applications. Visual Studio is a beginning programmer's best friend. Okay, the main purpose of this video tutorial series is learn C Sharp with practical, developing mini project. So the main points related to C Sharp, it is developed by Microsoft, supporting the concept of object-oriented programming, most powerful programming language for .NET framework. It is more like C++ than Java. Basically, it is a competitor of Java. Best suited for application on Windows, Android, iOS, and the developers who are using this programming language earning around 91 to $100,000 per year. So let's start practical work. Before going to do some practical, you should install Visual Studio 2010 in your system. I'm using Visual Studio 2010. Is the perfect tool to create, develop, and debug your projects. So install it, and now I'm going to build a hello program by opening the software. You can type here Visual Studio 2010. Now Visual Studio 2010 Ultimate ID is open. Now select new project. Select new project. Another screen comes. Here in the left pane, left side pane, Visual C Sharp and Windows. Visual C Sharp, Windows, and I'm choosing console application from this side, and it is the default name of my program. Leave it, and now press here OK button. This program or C Sharp file will open. The advantage of this programming language, its IDE, integrated development environment, is some defaults programming codes are already available, so that you may have to type your own programming codes which you want to develop. Basic format is already available there. So I will explain its keywords each line later. First of all, I am displaying a welcome program, hello programs. To display hello, I am typing the code console dot write line hello. Console dot write line hello. It is similar to like print statement in your C language, C out, similar to C++, and system.out.println like in Java. Now we run this program. Here the start debugging button and shortcut key is F5. Okay, I have to write one more line here. Console dot line. Now your all first hello program output is here. Hello. I will explain the code later. I am currently only displaying here how you can display the hello programs by using C# programming language. You can stop this program here. So in the next tutorial we will learn form, basics, controls and their properties and events.